Alton Industrial Boulevard later on this evening for an update. For now, let's take you to Brian Biggs to see how
Alright, now this how-to is about being on the news, okay? I'm gonna get straight to it. Alright, now, looking like you're being a newscaster. So if you want to say something funny like I did, you want to maybe have something serious, you can do vlogs, you can do movies, things of that nature. You may want to be a newscaster and make funny stuff. And this is how I did it, and I did it with a green screen. But first, I went to news, green screen, background, and I chose one, and there's plenty of them. Look at all these, and I chose like a 15-second one. I believe it was this one, and I downloaded it, and I brought it in here. Now, before we do that, make sure you record your green screen, what you're gonna say in the background. I'll bring it here. So make sure you record your green screen first. Alright. Now I'm gonna insert a track. Then we're gonna grab our green screen download, which is this one. Alright. Now I'm gonna get rid of the audio. Put it up here. And we got it right there. Alright. Now I mute that. Let's get this as best. And look at what we have here. Now what I did was, first I went to pan crop. Alright, you want to crop as much as you can there. Click this box here. Click this bottom diamond. And click that pen. And you want to crop as much as you can. That's why I kind of stayed still in this one. And I know my head is moving more than anything. And you want as much as the green screen you can get out. Alright. And now I'm going to leave some room for my head. But I'm going to get close to the shoulders. And you want as much as the green you can get out. Because that's what you're going to eliminate. The green. The less green you have, the more easier it is to get over. Alright, so now I'm gonna unmute, and we're gonna bring this above, just like that. Alright, you bring this above your background. Now we're gonna go to effects, and we're gonna go to chroma key and click the color bar. Click the drop pen, click the green. Alright, now we're going to play with this here. Usually this one. Alright, play with the threshold a little bit. Blur it out some. Alright, so let's do it about right there. Now we want to crop the size here. So we're going to go to click that box out, go to diamond, and we're going to crop the size here to, let's say, about right. Let's say about right there. Bring them over. Alright, okay, let's do it about right there. Click that back. And we're going to go maybe get some more of this green out of here. Play with the green color. And I think that'll be about it right there.
Be safe.
You see? You see my ball peanut head?
Be sure to tune into three new games this
And that's
week.
how easy it is, guys. And if you want to add something in here, you know, you can always add anything up in here. And I'll add myself in there. Let's put it above, insert a track, and get rid of this audio here, and put it right there. And now, all you got to do is just crop the picture and put it in there. Alright. Hit that diamond there, and you can always put yourself in there. Now, there's many ways you can do that, but I'm doing it this way. There you go. You see? And now you got two newscasters. Alright, now when you do that, you can always put a background there, whatever you want to put in there. You could put sports in there, you could put a basketball game in there, and that's basically a piece of cake, and that's it.
Be sure to tune in to 3 new games this week. Be sure to tune in to 3 new games this week. We will be playing 3 new games and reruns.
And there you go. Now you are officially an editor and a newscaster at the same time. If I helped you guys out, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and the sooner the better. Peace.